night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life. 7 years to life. I've been told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too.
So Corn, what's your favorite cocktail now that you're 21? I guess you haven't had a chance to really try anything yet, have you?
Not yet. Long
No?
night. Yeah.
Okay. So after that shakes,
You want to shake it and pretty much until like it starts to freeze the bronze glass.
dump out your ice water, and then we'll give this guy a strain. I didn't garnish this glass, but we actually have some really cool lemon drop, what would you call this? That looks great, bro. That looks really good. This is lemon drop martini candied sugar, pretty much. So, awesome. Well, that looks amazing. Tell me that does not look like an Irish green to you. Kiss my shamrock, right?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, cheers. Cheers, and congratulations to making it to 21, man.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Hard. We bit Shandy. Hey, what's going on, you guys? I just got done wrapping up, or getting close to wrapping up this awesome video. I took a little break, and I'm watching another YouTuber named Chandler Lyles. Chandler, bro. What the heck? You're killing the game. Like, the ideas that you're saying are the things that I've been saying for the past 5 years. Basically, if you don't know who Chandler Lyle is, he is another restaurant owner, YouTuber that is basically using this platform to talk about marketing and promoting. And obviously, I actually named the channel my restaurant's name for the first year on YouTube with the sole purpose of marketing and promoting and getting the word out about the restaurant. So, like, let me just like show you what he's saying over here. Like, so there's Chandler right there.
Most business owners, we think the product is all that matters. The product is what's great. It's what makes us different. It's what our customers love about us. And all of that is very true. Your product is actually...
Anyway, I don't want to show you guys the whole video. Just know that I was taking a little break from editing and I saw this video, Chandler, that you put up. I'm gonna put a link to the full video right up here. So click on that link and you can learn about the full video, basically about how your product doesn't matter. And I knew that from the beginning. I know that no one cares about what you're selling, or at least they don't care unless they know about what you're selling. Me as like a young Greek restaurant owner, I've used the cards that I was dealt, being I guess a young Greek American, to use my platform to kind of advertise and cheerlead for Greek food in the Dallas Metroplex area and tell everybody how great it is, and it's not scary and it's fun. Anyway, so that just really spoke to my heart. Great job, Chandler, thanks for that. That's the whole reason why I made this video, this Kiss My Shamrock cocktail. Like, it's an amazing cocktail. Like, I don't need to go through all this effort to show you all of those things. Like, you could have just came in and ordered it, but how are you gonna order it if you don't know about it? And why not use my storytelling ability and my video editing skills to make this cocktail look so, I mean, it is so amazing, but to present it in the amazingness that it is. You know, I was reading a book by Arnold Schwarzenegger called The Encyclopedia to Modern Bodybuilding, and he used a great analogy. He said, take this art and find it in a storage unit underneath a bunch of shelves and stuff, and how much is that art worth? how much is that art worth? You take that same painting, that same piece of work, and you put it in the Louvre, you know, in France, and you put it on a frame. Now that $1 or $2 piece of artwork, once you put the lighting on it and you put the framing on it, and you know, you dust it off and you present it to the world as it should be shown, then that same artwork can be worth thousands and thousands and millions of dollars. So like he was referring to basically being stage ready as a bodybuilder, and the same thing can be said about marketing and presenting your product to the world. So that's what this is all about. Obviously that's why you guys know that I'm on YouTube, or that's what drove me, at least initially, to be on YouTube. Now it's all the relationships and the camaraderie that's kind of taken that place of just pure marketing. Obviously, I still have a job to do and still have to promote my restaurant, my business, and all these things. So anyway, Chandler, great job. Great video, man. Hope you guys come in and try the Kiss My Shamrock cocktail. It really is an amazing cocktail. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Kostas Lazanas here, head chef and owner of Opa Greek Taverna. It's the month of March, and we're gonna be doing an Irish theme at Opa Greek Taverna. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Kiss My Shamrock. This is gonna be our featured cocktail of the month, and it's one of my favorites that I've tried in a long time. So let's get this thing started. We got our martini glass chilling over here, and we're gonna start building our cocktail with 1.25 ounces of Jameson Irish Whisky, one of my personal favorites. Red breast is really good too though, if you can find it. So 1.25 ounces. Opa! We're gonna start this, to sweeten this bad boy up with some Peach Schnapps, 3/4 ounce. And 3/4 ounce of Blue